How to sign up or create a QuillBot account. To sign up or create a QuillBot account, simply open your browser and go to QuillBot.com, and this is the kind of interface that you will be able to see. From the top right hand side, you'll find an option which is the profile like icon. So make sure to just click on profile like icon and go to this option right here that says login or sign up. Once you go to login or sign up, there are three ways that you could do this. Possibly for a short way, you can continue with Google account, your Facebook account, or your Apple ID. So depending upon whichever is much more comfortable for you, you can go ahead and then do that. Otherwise, you can choose to sign up or log in with email. So you can just click on the sign up button right here. And all you have to do is simply enter the email address manually depending upon what you want to enter. And just make sure to choose a password for yourself. And once you choose a password, just make sure to enter your name. And once done, just click on the continue button and your QuillBot account will be created. Otherwise, for a short way, as I told you, you can just click on continue with Google or Facebook or Apple ID, whatever else it is, and just log into your QuillBot account in that way. So I hope this video really helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.